Hey guys, do you ever roll around and you need a cup of tea on the fly, on the move? We do. This is why we have these bad boys here. We had our chilies, which you saw earlier, which didn't work out very well because they leak. They don't close off all the way.
They're not designed to.
They're not designed to. I've just been told they're not designed to. Flash news.
But they are fabulous to drink from. They're my preferred cup to drink from.
They are the preferred cup to drink from for management. But now they're only being used on the campsite when we're not moving. Okay? That's out the way. Let's move on to here. These two bad boys, bought these because of the diameter of the cylinder. Some of them are bigger, you know what they're like. You can get ones this size if you like. Probably in the US. I don't know, you tell me. So this is a Stanley, which is a little bit less volume. I think this is about 400, this is 550 or something to that effect.
That's a long cup of tea.
This one lasts forever. And the reason we bought them as well is because you can do this.
Yes, that one works really well.
So this is brilliant. This is 720 degree, lovely design.
Beautiful.
This
Very
clicks
good.
open and close, so that you can drink, that you can't. And if you do this, it doesn't leak.
Now it's working.
It's not always.
Yeah, it doesn't always not. Oh, that's hysterical, typical.
Oh, hang on.
There we go. There we got a drop.
So to drink, you do that.
Yeah.
Waste of tea.
Yeah,
It's
that
for
was my
scientific
tea.
purposes. There, it's
Yeah.
dripping, you see?
Yeah.
The problem with it is this little seal here. That's when it's open. And then if you click it again, that's when it's closed. And this seal here has a little bit of a wear over there already.
It came like that.
And this is how it arrived. It is easy to clean though. You just unscrew it. This comes out. But there you can see the problem anyway. So yeah, that's a little bit less than ideal. It's not what it's supposed to do. It's
And
supposed to
that's to say
be.
it's a min pincher.
You're supposed to say it's a min pincher. If you know Dutch, you know what that means. So that's 720 degree. It's a nice design. It's pretty cool.
Beautiful. Love the
It's
color.
nice. You can drink around the whole thing.
Yeah, I like that. Just
Other-
it doesn't keep all the stuff in, which is good.
The other one is the Stanley, which is quite an interesting little push button thing. So if you like your industrial design, that opens that. Yeah. You can open it up as well, take it apart for cleaning. This is all live. This is our tea that we're actually drinking on the road here. We thought we'd just give you a quick. This one unclips like that.
But more technical.
It's a lot more involved in
It's
one
Stanley.
way.
Of course, it's more technical.
And the problem. So the idea I had for these two was to have one of each, to test them each. They're of a similar diameter and they're of a similar price point as well. So it's up to you to decide which one you enjoy more. Is
So
it the-
you've forgotten one major aspect. Cleaning.
cleaning?
It's such a narrow little thing that your hand doesn't fit
Ah,
in.
yes, of
so
course.
you need a brush.
Yeah, you can't get your. Normally we use a sponge because it's quite good to clean stuff, but you can't get your sponge all the way in here. So you need a brush. Some of these bottles come with a brush to clean it with.
But that's another thing that you need.
It's another little accoutrement that you need when you're running off to the pollution block with your pile of dishes. So that is one negative point, which is, yeah, sometimes we don't think about those things as well. So yeah, similar color, similar design, philosophy. This one is a bit more, this is mine. I think you guessed that already.
Yes.
This one, I'm a little disappointed that it's not
Yeah.
100%
That's
leak proof.
hysterical that it's working now.
Oh, yeah, you see,
Okay.
it's
Yeah,
not 100%,
yeah.
which is a little bit, but that's why we've got the cup holders, right?
Yes.
And one other thing, last point, quickly wrap it up, guys, is that it keeps your tea warm for
Yeah.
hours,
Hot, hot,
7, 8 hours. It's crazy. So
Yeah.
I could
That is
recommend
good.
it.
Yeah.
Recommend this one definitely.
Yeah.
It's about 20 bucks, I think. You find them on Amazon, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, for the price is really not bad.
Yeah, I'm sure there are others which are cheaper and better, I know that, but this is probably the Slimline design. Let us know down below what you roll around with and what your favorite cup is. And do you like coffee or tea? Catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep rolling.